Now what we'll do is we'll go into Zapier to start pulling in data, videos. So I already have, so as you can see here, I have a bunch for the athlete application. So we'll create a new folder called Jest. And here we will make a new Zap. We're going to be using YouTube as the trigger for the event. And that is going to be a new video in a specific channel. Select my YouTube account, continue. And then the specific channel that we're going to pull in this case, Crystalia. It's hilarious. Copy that in. Gives you a preview of what you're supposed to pull in there. This will pull in some test data from YouTube. Let's go back up here and just double check and show you. So it basically gives you a few videos that you can test this script with. Now we will write to Google Sheets. We're going to create a spreadsheet row that's in this Google Sheet. We're going to create a new row populating all these fields. My account. Okay, now we'll select the specific spreadsheet. Just, we will specify the worksheet within there that's going to be updated. It's going to be the videos worksheet. And now we'll add, from the video that it's pulling in, the content in a specific column. So I'm going to be populating each of these, and I need to specify what's going to go where. So channel is just the comedian's name, channel title. Crystalia, play link is the URL. Title is the title of the specific video. They have a description of the video, video duration, the date it was published. And then I'm pulling in a bunch of thumbnails just to have the ability to use, as I style the app, I'll figure out exactly which ones are most relevant. And then for the sake of data, I might remove a few of these. In the sports or the athlete application, I use max res most of the time, but it's not always populated. So if this is blank, then I would revert to thumbnail high resolution. So in the future, I'd probably remove the rest of these, but for now, it's just good to have as I'm building out the application. High default thumbnail, medium, max resolution, standard. Views will be populated by WayScript, so we'll do that separately. Recent is going to be a formula that just tells me if the video was in the last, call it 2 weeks. That's what I have for this version. Just because on this trending page or hot, I don't want, it's ranked in order of view count, so I don't want a video that was a year ago, has a ton of views. I'm looking for more recent videos, sort of like a trending page. So I'll do a formula for that. And then views display is just number formatting, so it shows up in the app. So views is actually going to be a number, integer. Views display is actually going to be characters or text string. All right, continue. And we can test. So this is going to pull in data into the Google Sheet, which is good. We'll have some data to work with. I'll take a second, and we will go ahead and turn it on. Back to setup. I need to name it Chris I'm gonna have a few of these for various comedians. So we'll just name them by the comedian's name. I'm actually gonna, let's check first that this, yep, this is populated. This is one video, all the various fields filled in. I'm gonna actually, you can also do it multiple times. This is based, I'm just trying to seed the database with a little bit of content. So when I'm styling the app, I can have a little bit more data to work with. So I'll select video B, and then we'll go down here and do another test. Retest and continue, and this will just pull in another row of data. There it is. So we have 2 videos to work with. Okay, so that is Zapier. And so with this on, every time Crystalia adds a new video to his channel, that will populate the Google Sheet, which then will show in our application.